reflected in your chat in a Skype. You can see the recording and you can practice it out. For further purposes, if you want, you can have that. So the session recording will get reflected like this in a Skype application. So you can just check here. So you can download this also. It will be this session recording will be available for 30 days. So you can download the session recording, you can forward, you can remove or you can do whatever you want from the chat. So you can download it session recording, you can refer them. So this is about the classes, okay? And classes will go as per the topics wise, okay? Some topics will go for 34 minutes, some topic will go for 34 and 32, some will go for 1 hour, some will go for 45 minutes. So depending upon the session, we go the classes over here, okay? So now let me introduce about myself also. So all are new to SAP. So I will start from the scratch. I will tell you everything from a scratch that what is SAP, how SAP was introduced, and what all the SAP we have configuration, and what all the things you will learn in SAP. I'll tell you today introduction part. Okay. So can everyone can see my screen? Is my screen visible to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. So let me introduce myself. As you know, myself is a Pawan name here. I'm from Karnataka. Belong to this guy. I belong to the state Karnataka and from Hubli city. I belong to. I total have over here 5 years of experience in SAP. I work with the multiple implementation and support projects also, and as well as I have experience in end user and as well as in implementation tool. Okay, so I have do freelancing training for multiple locations also. I do training for different locations as well as I do training for multiple institutions also. Okay, now let me begin it about SAP introduction. So first of all, you should know before going for SAP, you should know what does SAP means. Okay, so before going for SAP, you should know what does SAP means and why we use SAP software. Okay, so as the SAP, what we call the term SAP, it is called a system application and products in data processing software. The term what SAP we call is called as system application and products in data processing software. SAP what full form we call. And SAP software is one of the leading enterprise information management package around the worldwide. As you already know, guys, SAP is used all over the worldwide
Because
software.
there is some disturbance at your
Yes,
end.
sir.
I can
There is a lot of
realize.
yeah. Just again, who is getting disturbance actually?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Saurabh, I'm audible to you, Saurabh?
Hello.
Yeah, Saurabh, you can
Good evening, sir.
just, yeah, very, very good evening. You can hide your video. There is no required for video. You can just see my screen.
Sir, just a
Yeah.
minute, sir. आपकी voice clear नहीं हो रही, sir.
Yeah, you can just shut it down your video. Video is not required.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Saurabh, I'm audible to you, Saurabh. Saurabh, I'm audible to you?
Sir, ऐसा ऐसे भी FICO.
Yeah, yeah. I'm audible to you, Saurabh. Like, can you hear me?
Sir, clear नहीं हो रही आपकी voice.
Hello. Saurabh, I'm audible to
Hello.
you?
सर मैं हैंड फ्री यूज करके करता हूँ अभी. एक सेकंड सर.
नहीं नहीं आपको मैं अभी इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट बताने वाला हूँ.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm just starting it from beginning. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So see, as Samit, now my voice is clear, everyone. How about Harshit, Sangeeta, and Surbi? My voice is clear now, or still it is same?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, fine. So I was telling you guys about SAP, what exactly we use. Okay, so I told you full form is system application products, and we all use the software. And this software is one of the real-time software we use. Okay, so it covers all the it tracks and manages all the department like sales, production, financial accounting, HR, and enterprises. And SAP AG is the one of the third largest software company. That as you know, SAP is called as one of the biggest software company in the world. And SAP now employs more than 48,500 people, more than 120 countries. Even in more than 120 countries, we are using SAP software here. And headquarter of SAP is located in Germany. This software is also called as a German software. So we headquarters is located in Germany here. And company has listed several stock exchanges in SAP. We have like the Frankfurt DX and the NYSE stock exchanges of SAP. Under the symbol SAP, and many partners we have in SAP and many industry solutions we have in SAP. And we have here more than 12 million users around 1,40,000 installers around the worldwide. And the software version which we will be using for training here, for the training software, we use a software called as the ECC software. What does ECC means? ECC stands for ERP Central Component. It is called ECC. Okay, this is a version of software which you learn. And what does this ERP means? It is called as Enterprises Resource and Planning, as you already know about that. Okay, and I am using latest version of software SAP here, that is EHP8. EHP stands for Enhancement Package. You got it, guys? So this is the version of software which currently I am working on, ECC EHP8. Okay, so you will get a training on particularly on this version EHP8, that is called as Enhancement Package. Okay, so this is the introduction of software. Next topic is why the all companies are migrating from their software to SAP software. Okay, first reason is the software is user friendly as it is very easy to use. It is deployed globally all over the worldwide. Software is very reliable to use and all the information are easy to process in this SAP. And you get accurate information in SAP, that is very important. Software is also very affordable as it is SAP provides at a very lesser cost. And it implicates all the companies' data also. And it supports all businesses. Small scale, medium scale, large scale, all types of companies are working on SAP. So it supports all business requirement in SAP here. That is why we call it as a supports all businesses in SAP. The next thing we have is history when the SAP software was founded. SAP software was founded in 1972 by 5 IBM engineers founders. We have like Valant Hunter and we have a Hawk, Actor, Hunter and Trisha. These are the engineers who has founded SAP in 1972. It was implemented first in IBM company. And we have some several versions of SAP also here. As you can see, the versions list is available here. Okay, so first version came, that is R1 came in 1972. Then came a R2 version that runs on 1979. R3 then comes on 1992. So on, the SAP has introduced its own version. So right now we are working on ECC 7 or ECC 6.0, both are same version. That is since 2015 to 19 we are working on new version of software. All the company people are working on latest version of EHP 7 and EHP 8. That includes SAP S/4HANA also. The operating system remains same. ECC means it is called as I told you, ERP Central Component. EHP 7 stands for Enhancement Package. So this is the latest version of SAP software introduction which we use for SAP for training. Next we have is SAP has different models over here. As per the approximate year of a launch, SAP has introduced its own models. Okay, we have like SAP models, we have like financial accounting for FI, CO for controlling, asset accounting AS. So financial things comes to the financial department. There are different departments in SAP we use as per our requirement. Like FI for SAP FI, CO for controlling, asset accounting, funds management. Logistics department you have like sales and distribution SD, MM material management, QM quality management. So we have so many different versions here. So as per the particular requirement of the model, we do training on that. So now I will be training you guys on FI financial accounting and asset accounting FI and A. CO integration everything will cover under the CO because all are different models. Major we cover on SAP FI financial accounting. Okay, so we cover in depth how does the receivable, payables and the general ledger things works in SAP. We learned in depth in this in SAP FI. Okay, so next thing we have is SAP models we have. See, SAP has two type of models which will be suitable for you. One is a technical model, another is a functional model. So now which you are learning guys, that will be a functional model SAP FI financial accounting. Okay, technical model can be learned by the people who are from programming background, BCA, CS, For them, we have model like SAP Basis, SAP Security, SAP ABAP. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. SAP NetWare, SAP IS. This is all the technical models. Functional models we have like financial accounting, controlling, material management, sales and distribution, production planning, human resources. This all comes with the functional model. They are function, and that's why we call them functional model. Next is we have SAP Industrial Solutions. Where all and where the SAP is providing solutions. The companies who are working on SAP. See, we are working on manufacturing industries also working on SAP, financial service also working on SAP, public service also working on SAP, as well as service industries also working on SAP. So this all are the industries working on SAP. Example, we have like manufacturing industry, we have like aerospace and defense companies, automotive companies, chemical companies. Just like aerospace companies means airline industries, just like Indigo Airline, Air India, those are working on SAP. Automotive companies like Accenture, we have so many different. Chemical companies also so many we have. Consumer product we have. SAP for engineering and construction company we have so many. Like L&T, Wipro, Capgemini, so many are there. High-tech company also like IT, Infotech and all company are working on SAP. We have industrial machinery component, mining, product mining, oil and gas also working on SAP. Just like Hindustan Petroleum, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Company Limited, and we have so many different oil companies also. Financial services also we have like banking and insurance are working on SAP. The banking companies like ICICI, HDFC, all they are working on SAP. The insurance company also we have like so many, LIC, all those working on SAP. Public service also we have so many, like public service means defense security, like Indian Air Force, Indian Army, all they are working on SAP here. Okay, and healthcare also working on SAP. So many healthcare companies we have, and higher education research is also working on SAP. Just like Byju's and Vedantu, and Academy, they are working on SAP. Service industry we have many service industries. Logistics provider, service industries means the government sector which we have. We have like SAP for logistics service provider. Media is working on SAP. Professional services working on SAP. Railways are working on SAP like South Western Railway. We have East Railway. Government sector all are working on SAP. So this is the SAP industrial solution. Next we have is SAP customers. How many we have? So you can see the SAP customers. These are companies all Apple, BMW, BP, Canon, Chevron, Nike, Nokia, PepsiCo, P&G. All these companies are called as SAP customers. Okay. Why we call them as SAP customers? The reason because these people all are working on SAP software. That is why we call them as a SAP customer. So what they do is, example, Apple company is working on SAP. They buy SAP software from SAP. So then they work on SAP. So automatically they become SAP customer. So these all companies, what are they? They all are SAP customers. They are big IT companies. Another one thing is now many people have impression that SAP is applied for only large companies. The truth is SAP offers solution for small as 10 people. And what people think is SAP is applied in very big companies. There is no such thing like that. SAP offers solution for small as, even SAP also gives solution for small as 10 people. Okay, for them we call SME, small mid-sized enterprises. The small companies are also working on SAP software. So even they can work on SAP small companies who has small as 10 people also. The staff of 10 people, if they want a SAP software, even SAP gives solution for even for them also. For them we call it as a SME, small mid-sized enterprises. Fine. So everyone clear its introduction part. Anyone has any confusion can ask me one by one. How about Harshit? Any confusion you have? I'll ask one by one.
No,
Harshit?
sir. No,
So
sir, it's fine.
Sangeeta?
No, sir.
Saurabh?
No, sir.
So Surbi, how about you? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. This is what I told you is all about introduction part one by one I told you. Okay. So this introduction part everything is completed now. Now I will go with little bit in deeper. Okay. I'll go little bit in depth now. Fine. So what I'll do is I'll minimize this. I'll open one file here. Okay, so you guys can see my screen, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a second, hold on, guys. I'm getting call. 2 minutes. Hello, hello. Buddy, bolo, bolo, buddy. How office sir? कहाँ गए ना? कहाँ भी नहीं सर, कहाँ भी नहीं. ह्याच ऑफिस हो. ए नको सर, घर के आवश्यक था भेटून तुम्ही आणि 15 मिनिटं. हाँ? का बोले? कौन है? खा जाओ. कौन चीज में? ज़्यादा क्या नहीं सर, आज तो रुजू नहीं, आज अमास से. अमास धाड़, अमास से धाड़ता नहीं घर में. है? नंबर का ये सर गेट में हो सका बेटू. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Visible.
see guys, when you learn SAP software, now in this we have two separate operating tools on a system in one software. As you learn SAP software, there are two different tools in SAP are there. One we call it as a functional tool. It is called as implementation guide. Okay. There is another tool in SAP that is called as non-functional tool. It is also called as an end user. Okay, now let me tell you what is difference between this and this in SAP. Okay, see, functional tool what we use in SAP, this is used by IT companies for the implementation of the projects, and it is also used for support project for configuration purpose. All types of projects are implemented here. The project thing and everything what you work in IT companies, those all work on this particular operating system tool, SAP. Consultants having SAP experience of more than 4 to 5 years, they can work under this tool. The companies like Accenture, IBM, TC, Infosys, these all people can work under this particular tool, functional tool. It is also called as implementation guide. Another tool there is SAP that is called as non-functional tool. What is this? This we use for the business purpose we use this. What we do here, here we pass day by day transaction of the companies. Just like data entry, billing, invoices, day by day what business you do, that will be done from this particular screen, non-functional screen. Examples we do entry in Tally also. Maybe you heard about Tally software, even we do in that day by day transaction entry. It is also called as a SAP or it is also called as a end user. Okay, all the non-IT companies are working on this particular tool. End user having experience of 1 to 2 years, freshers also, even the freshers also can work under this tool. Because there is there is no much more project and everything will be there here. Simple things will be there which you need to pass the entries and billing will be there. So these are the two tools which you will learn here in my training now. One is a functional, another is a non-functional. Okay, so everyone clear with this two tool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rashid and Sanitya, Saurabh, Saurabhi, Survi, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. That's fine, excellent. So now, just again, what I'm getting called. Sir, tell me, sir. Yes, sir, I'm taking one online class. I'll call you back in 10 minutes. Yeah, okay. So what we do, guys, here now, I will show you these two particular tools in SAP software now. Okay, I will show you this two functional tool and non-functional tool. I'll show you in SAP software. For that, what I will do, I'll minimize here and I'll cancel this. This is my SAP application. This will look like this. SAP logon. Okay, so this will be provided by you by the Manika or institution people. They'll give you the software. You can install that. So once I click on log on SAP here, you can see one login screen will come like this. SAP login screen. Okay, so this is my SAP login screen which has appeared here. Now what I will do, I will select my server IP address and I will log on here. So once I click on log on here, now what will happen? Here the client ID, user and password it will ask you. So you need to log in with your server. So the ID and password will be provided by you by the institution people. That ID you should use here to log in. So my ID they had given me this one. So my password, what I have set my password, that I'll give my password here. Then language English I'll give and I'll enter here. Okay. Once this IDs which they are provided you, once the ID confirmation is done, so you can log in here with your ID by the institution people. So once I enter here now, you will see one screen will appear. This screen is called as SAP Easy Access. This particular screen is called as SAP non-functional screen. I told you it is an end user. This one is this. So what we do here, you can see accounting, financial accounting. See, general ledger is there, accounts receivable, accounts payable is there. So what we do here, see, invoice, passing invoice, and incoming payment, outgoing payment, whatever it is there, everything will be done from this screen. So day by day transaction of the end user, people will use this transaction, end user. Alright. So end user two things what will be there, that will be done from this particular screen. It is also called as a non-functional tool or non-functional screen, this particular screen which I said. There is another screen in SAP that is called as functional tool, which is used by IT companies for the implementation of the projects. For that what we do, we need to go for here, tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. We should go for SPRO for that. Okay, you should use this tool path here. You should go here, tools you should go here, then customizing, IMG, SPRO. SPRO is a code which we use for the to enter it into the functional tool. Okay, for that what I will do now, I'll go for here SPRO. You can double click on this. It will show you customizing execute project. Otherwise directly you can type here this code. This code what is available here, you can directly type here SPRO, you can type. This SPRO stands for Standard Project Reference Object. Okay, Standard Project Reference Object stands for the code. You can give the directory code here, you can enter. It will show you same. You can go by the path also to show you same. Now, once I click on here, SAP reference ING. SAP reference ING means ING stands for Implementation Guide. Once you click on this now implementation screen will appear. SAP Customizing Implementation Guide. You can see here all departments are available. Financial accounting is there, sales and distribution, material management, quality, every production, everything is there. So what we do from this particular screen, we just pass a transaction and the entries from the screen. Like we make the project preparation, project we do here. See, nothing will operate here. If I type any some letters also, nothing is typing. The reason because this particular screen, what we have functional, this is called as functional screen. So why we use this? This we use for the project preparation purpose. Okay, so whatever you do here, the configuration part will be done from this screen. It is also called as SAP Customizing Implementation Guide. It is also called as here functional tool in SAP. So what we do from here now, so I will begin you from here from tomorrow. So for tomorrow what I will do, I will start you guys with the company creation for the first step. Today I told you how does the SAP and operating system works in SAP. Did you guys, everyone got it? Functional tool and non-functional, anyone has any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone clear? Anyone confusion? Harshis, Sanyutta, Saurabhi, Surbi?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
yeah. So what we do is I will be beginning you from this particular screen from tomorrow. So syllabus is everything is here. I'll just scroll it down. See, tomorrow we'll begin with the creation of company first topic. Okay, I'll tell you how do we create a company in SAP and why we create that. Today what I told you was introduction part. So you can just go through this video recording. You'll get a recording of this class. So what you can do, you can just see that recording again. Just once again revise it and you'll get to know all idea about SAP introduction. But tomorrow what I will tell you, creation of company. And I will tell you how to create a company. Then we'll go for slowly one by one all the topics. One by one. So this is a simple and easy part, functional tool and non-functional tool. Non-functional tool, there are two tools in SAP which we use in SAP. This is used by IT companies to make the implementation of projects. And if I take back, this is the non-functional. You will be learning both here, functional as well as non-functional. How I teach you that also I'll tell you. I'll prepare one project here in this screen. In this screen, what I will do, I'll prepare one project. That project I will flow it to the end user here. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is everyone clear with it? Anyone has any confusion with my presentation or software or anything, you can ask me clearly now. Okay. So everyone is clear, right? So I'll forward you this document. Everyone can send their email ID to our WhatsApp group. Okay. WhatsApp group. Everyone just send your email IDs. I will forward you the this document file of syllabus, everything what I cover. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Join at just sharp 8:30. Everyone should be online. So join sharp 8:30 everyone tomorrow. Don't miss the class tomorrow. Okay.
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 Sure.
Thank you, Archit. Thank you, Sankit. Thank you,
Okay,
Saurabh.
sir.
Thank you, Silvi. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.